Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toby and I'm a braider based in Kwara State, Nigeria, and today we are going to be doing another knotless braid. So I just went ahead to I've already massaged my client's scalp already, so I just went ahead to like moisturize her hair and then start the braiding process. My client wants to do like a half and half color ish, so for this color we're using color deep blue and color 27 in the braiding brand Expression. If you have been on my channel for a while, you will know that I'm a big fan of Expression, and the only reason is because like it's the closest texture to like African hair, like African afro hair, so it blends really well with her hair. So it's like my favorite, and it has the same feel. It's just perfect basically. So I've already gone ahead to do like the blue side of the hair. I'm just going on to like braid the gold side of the hair. And yeah, that's basically all about this video. I am going to drop a clip about how the hair turns out at the end of this video, so I really hope you enjoy it and you keep on watching. If you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to leave a comment, drop a like or like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are not subscribed already, because we are going to be dropping premium content in here. Okay, so subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you'll be informed whenever I post a new video. So yeah, that's basically all for this video. Bye guys.